In Kashmir, it's not that grand. थोड़ा सा फालूदा बनता है, 2-4 खजूर खा लेते हैं और एक आधा कुछ खीर वगैरह बनती है. We are more of rice eaters. से पहले I had ordered faluda. I had told my brother कि it's been ages I have not had faluda. Let's call for faluda. When Rocky came, he told me about it and the doorbell rang. This news was about to consume me and the doorbell rang and it was faluda. And I was like, फालूदा है सब ठीक होगा. It's come at the right time. I swear.
And you had the faluda.
Yeah, we had
after.
the faluda.
This is what makes you the right guest for Women's Day. This is the kind of strength we need. I mean, life would always throw adversities at you and at the wrong time. And we're just talking about one health as an issue.
Oh,
you know, a lot
you
of
have
women,
tears in your eyes.
of course, you know,